everyone, this is Cindy with Crane's Heart. I'm back with a haul. I'm doing a little bit more Black Friday. I feel like my stuff is just trickling in. And the Holly Jolly Concord and 9th kit, which I didn't get to participate in the class because I was sick, but I'll have to watch the replay. So I'm going to start off with, what is it called? Doodlebug Inc. from Washington. They have an online store. You spend $35, get free shipping. So I believe that the die I have goes with this, because this is kind of like Mama Elephant's version of the Taylor Expression Simple Strips. Other companies are doing this as well, where you can stamp a sentiment and then use one die to kind of cut out multiple sentiments. And this one is all Christmas. It's Easy Xmas Greetings. I also got from them this stamp set, which goes with their jars. This is called How You Bean Add-on, and this is like peppermints, and then the little die. And then I got this cute Sunny Studio gingerbread man with the little gingerbread die. And then from Impression Obsession, I just got a couple of dies. I got this s'mores die. It's a little smaller, I think, than I thought, but I still think it's pretty cute. So I got that one. I got this cute little camper. It's an Anna White. And then I got this wooden heart, which I thought would be really cute for Valentine's Day. So I got those. And then they sent this, we appreciate your order, enjoy your free goodies. So in here, they sent some freebies. So they sent these pumpkins, pumpkins die. And they sent this sentiment, which, let's see what it says. I don't even know what it says. I'll have to look in the mirror. But they sent this sentiment stamp set. I don't know if you guys can see that. But, and then they sent just a little sort of flag kind of die. And then this one right here, which is maybe a lighthouse stamp. I'm sorry, these are stamps. So they sent that. And then, so let's go into the Holly Jolly Holiday Workshop. Okay. So we have our instruction booklet, which I probably can use to do most of these projects. I probably don't necessarily have to watch everything. I'm a pretty experienced crafter, probably can follow along. I'm probably going to do mostly the, I don't know that I need these tags and toppers necessarily, but definitely the cards. So let's go into what is in here. So we've got some of the cubes, and I think, crap, I bought some cubes too in Black Friday. And I wonder if I brought that stuff in. I probably could use that, I don't know, for Black Friday. But anyway, grapefruit, cranberry, sea glass, clover. I think I have clover and cranberry maybe from the last class we did. This is fun. They gave us a little silicone mat. And I like the size of it. It's all small. I'm going to put it actually with my glue gun because that'd be great. We get some envelopes, different sizes. So we've got some square and some regular sized ones. Tells me everything that's in there, but no worries on that. I got a cute little pin. Supplies for the make and take. So I don't know if that's, hopefully that's in the little booklet. I'll figure that out. I'm just putting everything, because I'm cleaning my craft room too, because it is a mess. Here's glossy details, iridescent. So kind of like maybe a Stickles glue, maybe. Cool. And then stamps. So the stamps, they just kind of packed them in here. But it got this really giant snowflake. It's very big. Lots of really cool sentiments and these smaller snowflakes. And then here We've got this sort of wreath, Holly Jolly Stamp Set 1, and then this one is called Holly Jolly Stamp Set 2. So I'm going to have to look in the little booklet and see what they did with these, because these are really big, nice stamp sets. And then we've got our dies, and they don't skimp on the dies at all. So you get this big joy die. I don't know if you can see a big joy die. Get this big wreath. I don't know what you do with all of this stuff, but it looks amazing. You get these big snowflake dies. You get this really nice sized stocking, and I think these are sort of poinsettias. So I'm definitely going to be playing with that when I finally can actually get in my craft room to play. And then we've got our paper. So we've got a big stack of paper, lots of paper to play with. So that is fabulous. And then they apparently were waiting on some things, so it came in a separate thingy. So it was like all the accessories. So we got some enamel dots and some little, I forgot the name of these, little clips, some sequins. This is like some kind of, almost looks like yarn, but it's, you know, twine. This is like jute, I guess. Just throwing everything in this box I have next to me on, so I can sort it all later. Some ribbon, and then some pillow boxes. So that is my Holly Jolly kit, plus a little Black Friday. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Bring the Heart.